I'm adding the same highlighter I used in my Cupid's thread. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just thinking on doing something soft, smoky, sultry. So I'm thinking of a soft brown smoky eye. So that is what I'm doing today. Before we move into the video, kindly hit on the subscribe button and also the notification bell that comes after you subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload. Okay, so you guys are used to me doing my brows, eyeshadow, skin, lips, lashes and all that, but today I just want to switch it up. I just want to do my skin before I move to the eyes because I just want something soft on the eyes, nothing too extra. So I'm just going to go ahead and prime. I'm using the Beyond Beauty Pro Prep HD Smoothing Face Primer. I'm just going to prime with this. I'm setting my primer in place with my face powder. I've done this for about 2 times now and I notice it helps my foundation stay on a bit more longer than usual. I'm going to be mixing these two foundations. You guys know what I already use, the EYELINER and Beyond Beauty. It's been about a week since I recorded. I haven't recorded anything in about a week and that is unusual of me. It's just because I've been feeling so down lately. I mean, like, I don't know, but I feel so down. I feel like I'm not growing. I feel less motivated to record. I've just not been myself to like my recording self. I'm just not like that. I've just not been like that. I mean, like all the pictures I posted on Instagram and like the videos I've been posting on here, they were recorded earlier. I mostly schedule my posts, so I mostly record in advance. So that is what has been helping me, and I'm just out of post, so I just need to get back on and record. That's why I'm recording today, but I woke up this morning not feeling like recording, but I just need to post, so I need to record. I'm going to go ahead and use this Beyond Beauty foundation. This is in the shade 205. I'm going to use that as a concealer. I'm just applying it on the regular places I put concealer. So like I was saying, I've not been feeling motivated to record lately. I don't know why. I feel like I'm not growing. I feel like I'm just wasting my time. There are a lot of things going through my head, even though you guys leave amazing and nice comments here, and I love you for that. I appreciate you guys for that, but I just don't know. I just feel like I'm not growing. I'm adding a bit more of the foundation. I just feel like I'm not growing. I'm just wasting my time and all that. Like, it's really been eating me up, and that is why I wasn't just motivated to record. I'm blending it furthermore with the sponge. Like, you know how I've been recording and posting on time? Like, you guys know my upload days, Tuesdays, Fridays and Sundays, 3 p.m. I've been uploading exactly those days, but guys, within me, I just feel like I'm not growing. Within me, I just feel like I'm not getting there, even though I see a lot of changes and all that. I don't know, it's just a me thing. That is why I was just not feeling motivated to record, because I feel like I'm killing myself. I'm doing all this stuff and I don't see myself growing and all that. Even though I am growing, like, I don't know what happens to me. Sometimes I think all these things and I later sit down and I'm just like, you're getting these small opportunities that people are not getting. Like, people in your same range are not getting, and you're getting it. So relax, you're going. Like, sometimes you go through all this, you just think too much and you just have to put yourself to a stop. Like, you just have to hold yourself back and just be like, oh, you are going. If people are getting the numbers, you also get the numbers, you also get there, you know. Like, it happens to me a lot. Sometimes I don't feel motivated to record because I feel like I'm wasting my time. I'm not getting anything out of it. But like they say, small drops of water makes a mighty ocean. So you're starting small today, you feel like you're not getting anywhere, you're not getting anything out of it, you reap from what you sow. So keep doing it. I'm bronzing. I'm using the Beyond Beauty HD powder. This is in the shade BBC6. I'm going to bake with the Pineapple Cosmetics loose powder. I know I'm looking very crazy right now, but I'm going to contour my nose. I'm using the Beyond Beauty Face Definer, and this is in the shade BB15. I'm going to be using this shade to contour my nose. I feel I'm not getting a straight line and it's crooked. I'm leaving it as it is because my nose cannot be shaped. It's just, I'm going to fill in my brows and I'm using this LA Girl Gel liner. This is in the shade dark brown. I'm actually going to do that off camera and be right back. My eyebrows are not looking the same, but I'm just going to stick with it. I'm going to prime my eyes and I'm using the Zaron concealer as usual. I'm first going to use the gel liner I used for my brows and pack it on my eyelids. I'm blending the edges out. I'm going to be putting this shade in my crease. I'm going to be packing this shade on my lid. I'm blending the brown together with the crease color. I'm going to be putting the same brown on my lower lash line. And blend it out with the crease color. I'm going to be putting this black liner in my waterline. I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm dusting off the excess powder under my eyes. And everywhere else. I'm adding a bit more bronzer and blush. Applying blush. I'm going to fill in my lips with this Beyond Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade 17. I did overline my top lips today and I feel it's making my lips look very big. I'm not used to it, that's why, but I love how it looks. I'm just feeling that my lips are so huge. I'm going to set my face and I'm going to be using the Flawless Ivy Setting Spray. I'm going to apply my highlights. I wanted to set my face with a spray before I go in and do the highlights. It's been a long time I did that. Blending it out. I want to leave my lips this matte, but I'm tempted to go in with a little bit of gloss. I'm just going to leave it. Probably add a gloss later, but I'm just leaving it. I'm adding the same highlighter I used in my Cupid's in my tear dots. Okay guys, so this is how we're looking so far. I love how we're looking, but I just don't like my lips. I feel like adding a gloss already. I'm going to do my hair and put on my lashes as well and come back for the final look. Okay guys, so this is the end of our brown sultry smoky eyes. I really love how this look turned out. I really love my lips, even though I was tempted so many times to go in with a lip gloss because I'm used to it, but I decided not to, and I love how it's looking now. So like I was saying, keep pushing, keep putting all your hard work in whatever you want to do. Be determined, continue to persevere, and you will definitely get results for all your hard work. Okay, don't look at the numbers of others. You don't know if their numbers are even legitimate or not, but don't look at others. Just keep pushing for yourself and you definitely get there. Kindly give this video a huge thumbs up if you did love it. Comment your thoughts on this look and don't forget to leave video suggestions as well in the comment section below. But before you leave, kindly hit on this to subscribe and please click on one of these videos. Please click on one of these videos to watch before you leave. I'm waiting for you to click on it. Please click on it.